Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use dimension, linear dimension. Basically, very important for using the different types of dimension here, and how to use the different dimension process and use for shortcut key. So when you let's start from dimension here. First of all, look at this. When you change the size here, I will click the circle and delete. When start from rectangle here, this is rectangle, create the rectangle and start point from rectangle and enter 1000 into 500. Look at this, our rectangle has been created. Then how to choose from dimension? So when I go to set the format, look at this format here. When first of all create, modify and text setting. First, more importance for text setting, it's not showing the text setting is proper. When I give the 200 and show you 200, and look at this set here. And close. When I go to dimension here, this is dimension. Different types of dimension is available. Linear dimension, align dimension, angular dimension, radius, diameter, everything is available. But when I explain according to situation, so click this dimension here, the point and the second point, it is provide the dimension. Same thing again I will provide here, this point to this point, I will click this dimension here. So it is used from dimension from directly here. When I use the align dimension here, this is align dimension. So how to align dimension? Generally used for inclined line. So here the inclined line, look at this inclined line and join from here and used to align the dimension. Here right now align dimension and start from this point. To start from this point, it is create the align dimension. So again, how to use for smart dimension, shortcut key and smart dimension, very easy to use from shortcut key and smart dimension. So first of all, look at this here, rectangle diagram, whatever is there. When I create the simple rectangle here, start from a rectangle, and how to show the dimension. So when I use the shortcut key, so how to use shortcut key? So first of all, when I use the shortcut key, so shortcut key dimension, shortcut key D, press D L I. If you press the DLI, this apply the dimension So this is called a smart dimension, a shortcut key DLI. Enter. When apply the dimension here, when choose from this point and this point and provide the dimension. So again I will use from DLI, enter, click this point and click this point. I will click this. Now DLI, enter, this point to this point here. So I will explain here how to use direct dimension and how to use a shortcut key about select the dimension. So today has been complete and thank you.